Yeah, alright, see it now. Start over again. It's a different one this, you see me? Starting and you don't know. It's the real prison life. This is how we live in a prison, you see me? Yeah, the great Bobby Nye, alongside Chap Chap, the great Gainer Chaps, Tati. Come back round par, I don't know par name still, but Minot. And see the God himself. Oh, they say Jesus dead, but him still alive. A different thing, you see me? So you don't know, this is how we living in prison. Real gangster life, the real mobile, real Granville gangster them that, you see me? Green Pan, Flanker, Spartan, Chap Chap. You don't know where Chap Chap come from a mobile, but you don't know. Alright, see great the Indian now. But Indian want to stand up in a light make you see him good, so you still have video him, so I move like a Taliban. I black up him face. Bumbo Clot, the original amazing grace! Bumbo Clot! What the man, the real man, yeah. Away this man, you see me? Real prison life, man. See one section now. So we are catch a section, you see me? Yeah. Catch some more style and go now. Alright. Is it trying a prison with it? We just paste up some girl on the wall. We go and look for, you see me? So when you go out the road, you know, see a same way girl them are got enough now with catalog. You see me? So going down and bomb and can't pass the reason lunar. Real money murder. Gangster, American gangster this. Yeah, for real and thing, you see me? See the great slicer, yeah? Yes. Yeah man, you see me, the great slicer. Bumbo Clot, see the big man himself, man. This the real boss. Big man, boss himself. Yeah, Western Kingston, that's this. Yeah, no joke about it. You see me, the real big man himself and the one Mac 10. Yeah. Yeah, man, this is a Boxdown Cartel. You see, we have to go back on the real big man again, Box himself. The man is the real blood clot big man, you see me? So you don't know how we are doing it and how we are living in a prison, you see me? If we just go and live and go and fight it still, so you don't know. We not give up. We have to stay strong. See me, alright? Coming down to some more gangster. Yeah, the real shot foot. This is the gully youth. From Bobby, the gully gangster. You see me? Yeah. See the one flasher. Yeah, him same one. We don't know shot a Bobby and come from still. And the little Indian or Russia killer flash. See the little Indian him hide from it still, but he still get a small part of him. God again, yeah. Oh, them say God dead. Bumbo Clot. God come everywhere them there. Lie them and tell from God. God can't dead. See me? Gully man again. One more gully God again. Yeah, for real man. You see me? See? It's an original baked bean and turkey neck we have cooked. Jamaican oxtail we call it. Properly known as turkey neck. Yeah. See it, yeah? Yeah man, all about the prison man. Come back to the great tattoo again. Bumbo Clot! World boss! Bumbo Clot! See the man, yeah, man? The real world boss this. Himself. Yeah man. Great Mac 11. See me? Come back to the Sparta Dan and Chap Chap again. See the big man a pass again, have to find him. Find the big man. Find the big man. The big man a cut. But we find him again. Yeah, come back again to the great Mr. Kwa. Yeah? Sparta, yeah, he passed 3 minutes inside. This now we are cut it. Yes. So, this is real prison life. Yeah, man. Bless you.